So the session where we spoke today, it was New Barcelona, and we are a small and young practice here in the city. We are doing a lot of projects and competitions, and what we do is we apply a method, and we are not afraid of the incident. By saying that, I mean that we are always welcoming some incidents that pollute the main idea, and afterwards make this geometry change and so on. So what we presented today, it was 3 examples of this method: competition, and then 2 realizations, and well, they are not far from here, so people could visit. Well, we were actually invited. It was an amazing opportunity because we believe that the WAF is a great opportunity to meet other architects and realizations from all around the world, especially now that many things happen far from Europe. So it's a good opportunity to see all of this, and we believe that Barcelona is also a good opportunity for this festival because we are a city which always joined new architecture with old architecture in a way, so we make the city very friendly, and I think we are a good example of urbanism here. So we are very impressed of the organization actually, and we believe this is a very important festival. I think that it's an amazing possibility to be here and to meet so many other architects. However, I'd like to see more of other disciplines, and it might be interesting to meet also with engineering and other people which has a lot to say in architecture. So a bit more interdisciplinary, it would be really interesting. Also, if possible, to meet here with customers and politicians. They should be here as well, because while talking architects with architects, it's interesting, obviously, but it's needed to be more social. I think interdisciplinary work is important in architecture because we actually are a lot of people working to make a building erected. So this is natural that we work together with engineers, but also with social specialists, with geologists. So we do work with all these people. So because of our way of working, we don't just take them as a advisor, but we try that what they are telling us, it's coming to be a general concept of the project that we are trying to do. Well, technology is a very important part of an architect's work. We build buildings, and we really believe that architects should build. Obviously, there are also theoretical parts and so on, but we truly believe that architecture is what it's built. And by building something, you need technology to do it. Technology is very diverse, and it has many ways. But man always is using technology since we started with agriculture. So technology is important, and when you say about high technology or new technology, then it's a different thing, because mainly what we've been able to do since so far, they are small buildings or medium-sized buildings with very limited budgets. So I think that's, and it's even an advantage, because you have to really think in order to take the maximum out of the minimum. And that's also a very good practice, and it should be, maybe crises will make architects rethink again about their buildings because of that. WAF is a meeting point for architects. On WAF, it should also be a meeting point for society with architects, and that's something that, if I may say, it should be more deeply worked in the future. Society doesn't know what we do, and they just know that some famous architect has built a famous tower here or there. But it is very important that society understands that architects, we are necessary, because we have a global vision on society problems, on society needs, society dreams as well, and we can provide a global answer also. So architects, we are necessary, and society should know it. And WAF could be a good platform to let politicians, but also people in general and customers to understand why we do what we do.